Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share as well as a mini craft with me to show you guys how I created these super cute little sunny day embellishments. I made a post on my Instagram just letting you guys know that although the community is filled with all the rave of sewing and stitching on everything, that you can still make super cute embellishments without using your sewing machine or knowing to sew. I feel like sometimes the community is filled with so many pictures and so many projects just showing sewing that sometimes as a crafter you can feel like, is my project enough because I didn't stitch on it? Is it not cute enough? But no, I don't want you guys to feel that way. I want you guys to know that we still can do it the old school way where you don't have to stitch on it and it's still going to be a super cute embellishment that anybody would love to have. And that's the point of today's video. I made these super cute little embellishments. As you can see, they're like little heart labels. And I found these on my designer studio. It's an SVG cut, which I will have down below so you guys can check it out. And I layered them. I made, I think it's 2 of them. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember if it's 2 pieces that you get, but I made it into 3 to make it kind of like a nesting little thing, and then just like layer it. You see there's like foam separating them and just made it into like a nesting that I don't remember. I really do think that there's 2 of them in the SVG. But anyway, that's besides the point. I made them cute little nesting hearts and I want to show you guys how to make them. But first, before I get into all that, I want to show you guys what I used. So of course I have some foam tape. This is just some regular dollar store foam tape. It's not the best, super sticky, but I'm working with what I have. I'm also using this scrapbook kind of like adhesive, like little adhesive tape. I have just some regular white cardstock here because the clear stickers from the Maggie Holmes sticker pack, what I do is I put them on top of a cardstock and cut them out and make them ephemera pieces if I don't have, because this is really tiny and sometimes the ephemera packs are too big to make small embellishments. So this is a good way to do it, or resize a digital collection like I do as well. Some Maggie Holmes little word phrases. Of course, the Sunny Days paper pad. I have some jemmies right here. These are from Michael's. I love these. I got some craft paper. Whoops! They're gonna go running. My little craft paper, bright yellow. I just recently found this like last week. These are my Nouveau drops. I got the pearl colors. I need to get some more. I am not really feeling the whole pearl. I don't know why I purchased these. I should have gotten some like solid colors, like some matte ones. But I will be purchasing those. So you can use these if you don't have any like enamel dots. And then I have some lace just for layering purposes. You guys will see. There's a bunch of colors there. If you guys didn't see me haul these, I'll have them listed down below if you guys want to check them out. Got some gold thread here from Walmart. What else? And yeah, I think that's all we need, you guys, to create these super cute embellishments. But let me show you guys the ones that I made. Oh, and some puffy stickers if you have any, like little tiny ones. This is what the first one looks like. Super cute. Look at that. You guys, how fun are these? I loved the way they turned out. Look at that. And this one, Sweet Sunshine. And we have this one. I'm gonna make one with you guys right now, but it's gonna be a little bit more layered than the ones that I made. And then there's this one. And I absolutely love the way they turned out. They look so cute. So these are the cuts. And I do think that they are layered. Don't mind me. I have so much on my brain doing so much that I forget. I think it's the big piece and then you get the little tiny pieces that go in the middle for you to layer them. So it's probably like a 2-piece. And what we're gonna do is, and they also come stitched, you guys, but I wasn't liking the stitching, so I'm just gonna use this one just to show you guys, but I took the stitching off because I didn't like the way my machine was cutting it. So I kind of flattened it and took that off, but we're gonna use this one because this is the biggest piece I have here. And I just want to show you guys what I did. So these are the two pieces we're using, and we're gonna layer them on top of each other like that. So we're gonna get some foam tape and we're gonna place that right in the center. I'm gonna remove that. We're just gonna leave that like that, because now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some gold thread, just however much you want. Just gonna go around a few times, and then you're gonna have something that looks like this. You're gonna work with it. See that? Hopefully you can see that. And we're gonna just place that right here on top of the foam. You guys see that? And then you could just like play around with it with how you want it to look. Add all the extra hanging pieces. See that? And then you're gonna place your other little heart right on top. And then you have the little thread sticking out. See that? Super easy. Now, what we're gonna do is I made this little piece right here just to give it some dimension. We're gonna bring it in a little closer. And this is just a little piece that you would make if you were making a rosette. You would do something like that. And we're gonna place that right on top. I'm gonna add some glue. Just added some hot glue and place that right on top. So now we have some dimension. See that? You build up your layers, you guys. So we got foam, and now we have this cute little dimensional piece right here, which I am going to add now this piece of lace right on top, you guys. We're gonna add some glue. Just a little bit, you don't need that much. Make sure I won't burn myself. And we're gonna place that right on top. Oops. Move that around. And it's coming together, you guys. Look at that. And now another piece on top is going to be this little flag that I made with a little word sticker. And we're gonna place that just at an angle, like something like that. But before I do that, I wanted to add, oh, I forgot to add, oh, I think it's still open here. Yes, it is. I left it open. Perfect. The little swimsuit, I want to place it right there. I hope you guys can see that because I know it's super bright in my craft room right now. Let me add some glue to the back of the swimsuit. And we're going to be placing that right there. You see that? And then I also cut up some little sandals, which we're going to put on the side like that. So kind of like a little layering piece. Let me do that real quick. And put that. Well, maybe I should put them on this side. And then I'm going to put some more glue on the okay, you guys see that? The little dimensions that we have going on here, the layering. Just letting that dry. And look at how it's looking. Super cute. Okay, we're gonna add, let me see if I can bring you guys closer so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Sorry if it got real shaky. Oops. Okay. So So now you guys can see what I'm doing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add the love sign right on top. So I'm gonna add some glue to that. I'm gonna place that right on top. Okay, get rid of these little glue strings. And it's coming together, you guys. Now, what I wanna do is I wanna add just 2 little gemstones on each side, right here. And one on the other side as well. All in the detail, you guys, all in the detail. And I feel like, oops, I should cut this a little bit over here. It's just looking a little square. Nobody wants to look square in their swimsuit, you guys. Okay, now, and you guys, the layers can just continue and continue. You can use crepe paper. You can keep adding more and more layers. Look at that. See that? And there's our embellishment, you guys. So that is my video for today. Let me see if I can set you guys back a little bit. There you go. That is my video for today. I hope you guys learned how to make these super cute embellishments. And remember, yes, stitching is beautiful. It makes the project pop, but it's not necessary to create a project or an embellishment and still make it cute and beautiful. So remember that, and let me know down below if you guys are going to create these little embellishments and send them off to your pen pals. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.